In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set global form colors and fonts in HubSpot so you can keep your entire website looking clean, consistent, and on brand without editing every single form manually. If you're using HubSpot themes, this is one of the most powerful styling features available. By the end of this video, your forms will automatically match your brand across all pages. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and marketing tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top navigation and click on Marketing. From the dropdown, go to Website and then click on Website Pages. This will take you to your page's dashboard. Now open any website page that uses your current theme. It doesn't matter which page you choose because we're going to access the global theme settings from here. Once the page editor opens, look at the top left corner. You'll see an option labeled Theme. Click on Theme and then select Edit Theme Settings. This is very important because this is where HubSpot stores your global styling controls. When you click Edit Theme Settings, the Global Styling Editor will open. These settings apply across your entire website wherever this theme is being used. Now that you're inside the theme settings, look at the left sidebar. Scroll through the sections until you find Forms or Form Styles. The exact name can vary depending on the theme you're using, but it will typically be labeled Forms. Click on that section to open your global form styling controls. Now let's start with setting your global form fonts. Inside the Form section, you'll see options that allow you to control typography for different parts of your forms. You can adjust the label font, which controls the text above each field. You can change the field text font, which is the text users type into the form fields. You can also adjust the button font, so your call to action button matches your brand style. In addition to font family, you'll usually see options for font size and font weight. This allows you to make your labels bolder, increase readability, or align everything with your brand guidelines. Simply click on the drop-down menus and choose the font family you want. If your theme supports custom fonts, you'll see those options available here as well. As you make changes, you'll typically see a live preview update, so you can immediately check how your forms look. Once your fonts are set, the next step is configuring your global form colors. Still inside the Form section, you'll see multiple color customization options. You can change the field background color, which is the fill color inside input fields. You can adjust the field border color to control the outline of each form field. You can set the label color to match your brand typography. There are also options for help text color, which is useful for small instructional text below fields, and error message color, which appears when a user fills out something incorrectly. Make sure your error color stands out clearly so users can easily identify issues. You'll also be able to customize your button color and hover color. This is especially important because your submit button is your primary conversion element. Choose a strong brand color for the default state and a slightly darker or lighter shade for the hover effect to create a professional interaction feel. To change any color, simply click on the color selector. You can either use the visual color picker or paste in a specific hex code if you have exact brand guidelines. This ensures complete consistency across your website. Take a moment to review all your changes. Scroll through the preview and make sure everything looks clean, readable, and aligned with your branding. Remember, these are global settings, so any change you make here will affect all forms that use this theme across your website. Once you're happy with your font and color selections, go to the top right corner and click Publish Changes. This step is crucial. If you don't publish, your updates won't go live. After clicking Publish Changes, HubSpot will apply your new styling settings globally. And that's it. You've successfully set global form colors and fonts in HubSpot. This not only saves time, but ensures brand consistency across every landing page and website page you create moving forward. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.